Hello my shining stars, it is I, Starzilla199, coming at you again with another video. But today is special, you wanna know why? Well, you already see it, my hands. But that's not the topic. Today's topic is an unboxing video. That's right, we're gonna unbox something that came in my mail yesterday. Now, what came in the mail will help us improve the channel, well, I mean like its content. Anyway, let me get the box, hold on. There you go. The package that came in. Now, let's start unboxing. There we go. There we go. Now, I already opened the box so that you guys don't have to see me use sharp items like scissors or knives because one, whenever you open a package like that one, always have adult supervision because you never know what will happen. Trust me. Okay, so what we got out of the box or package is the iPad Pro. Now, if you guys don't know, it's the second generation of great iPad technology. Now, you guys may be wondering why I have an iPad Pro. Now, to answer your question, this is what we're going to use to improve the channel content. Now I will explain that when we take this out. Yeah, I know you guys are anxious to know why. Alright, first, let's take it out of its box. Be careful though, this is very delicate. Oh my goodness. Hold on. There we go. Gotta focus in because I want you guys to see it too. Yeah. Okay, yeah, this. There we go. Let's take off the lid and focus again. There we go. We got the iPad Pro right here. It's glory screen. Okay. Let's take it out by taking out this little thing right over here. There we go. Let's move that to a side. And look what's inside the box. Let's see. Hold on, let me put that up. Designed by Apple in California. Okay. What's in here? Oh, it's instructions for the iPad Pro. Okay. And here we go. When ordering technology, it comes with cable and charger, so that way you can charge it. That's iPad or Technology 101. And there seems to be nothing else on the box, so let me just move that to a side. And the lid too. And let's get on with the main course, the iPad Pro. Now as you can see, we have the little volume buttons right here. We got the turn down and the turn up. As you can see, there is no home button, unlike the other iPads, because this one, apparently you can use home without it. Hold on. Yeah, sorry if the video gets blurry. I may not notice that, so yeah, sorry about that. Anyway, as you can see, there's like a little camera here. Let's see. Here it is. Right here. If you guys look very closely, you can see it. I'm going to leave this up for 5 seconds so you guys can see. See it? Okay, let's move on. Now we got some speakers here on the left and right. We also have the charging station where the little pulley is, along with more speakers. And up here, now the thing is, with the iPad Pro, it can come with a pen. And this is the pen charging station. It's like a magnet. So you put on the pen and it charges. We also got more stuff here. I think this is the volume increase, and here's the power button. We also got like 3 to 4 cameras. Also, look at this, guys. I also had my name engraved in it. See? Starzilla199. To show that this is my property. We got the iPad logo and the word hold on. Can you guys see? There you go. We also got the words iPad. Now let's slowly take this out of the plastic. Whoops. Right. Darn. Sorry if the camera is so blurry. This is why this is going to help us improve the content so we never get blurriness. I hate that. Because if a video goes blurry, you cannot see what happens. So I'm sorry about that, but this will change the content. Alright, slowly take it out of its plastic. There we go, nice and slow. Let's grab this little edge. Yeah, whoops. There we go, fingernails. Come in handy. Alright, there we go. there she is in her silver glory, and there's the screen. It looks like looks like one of those security tablets you would see in an office, or I don't know. Let's see. Does it turn on? Let's see. Well, I'm just seeing if it turns on because oh, there we go. It turns on. All right, it works. Also, one last thing. I'm gonna leave this to a side to deal with later. We also, me and my mother, we also got this little defense case. Now, this thing is rock solid. So, let's move that out of the picture. Anyway, so this is what we're going to put on the case of the iPad to make sure it stays good. No cracks, no nothing. Great protection. See, right here. See, it says OtterBox Clarified Drop Plus Protection. That means you drop it on rocks or like something like this, it is okay. It will be fine. Defender Series Rugged Protection. See, iPad Pro 12-inch. Ta-da! Perfect thing to keep your iPad safe or any device if it falls, like phone, iPad, you get the point. This is a rock-hard case that will protect it. Now, it's in this case, but I will not unbox it because, one, today's video was about the iPad and how we unboxed it. Oh. Sticky plastic. Now, I hope you guys like this video. Remember, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so we can get more content for the channel in the future and so that we can improve channel. So, make sure to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. This was the iPad Pro unboxing that can help us improve the channel. Now, I hope you like it, and thank you all for watching. Goodbye. Goodbye. Yeah.